Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error message, then watch this video for the fix. The fix is very simple folks. We have to make an edit in the registry. For that we will go to the registry editor and we will right click on it and click on run as administrator. Once the registry opens, we will go to local machine, HKey local machine, expand it, then expand the system folder below it, then expand the setup folder below it, and then expand the status folder below it, and then click on child completion. Once you click on it, you will see this file setup.exe in the right pane. Right click on it, click on modify, and change this value data to 3 and click on OK. Once you do that, restart the computer by clicking on the start button, the power button, and clicking on restart. And you should no longer encounter such unexpected restarts or encountering any problems leading to a unexpected restart. If this issue solved your problem, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the day.